Hey guys, sorry, I'm not really sure where I ended at. I just noticed that I wasn't recording anymore. So sorry about the cutoff there. I usually try and do a little bit better job of watching. Just a quick recap of where we are at. So I cut through, we're in over here. We've now built a forward base. Me and Jake here are pretty entrenched, you can see. And we're pushing in. We've destroyed Joel's forward castle. Travis is sending out troops, and we are going. On the other side, Larry has pushed in to Alex. Not in, but he's threatening the front. Is probably a better term. But we see that Joel has pushed his bombard cannons forward. That's really big in that. And those are kind of our two major choke points. We see that Travis is sending everything he can this way, while Larry is sending everything he can this way, and Joel's supporting there. And I think that Chase as well is sending troops. Yes, Chase is also sending troops. So that's kind of where we're at. Let's see what's left to go and finish. So we're just kind of eating troops as they're coming. And Travis is sending guys to defend this thing because this is their trade. And Larry's trying so hard. Larry's in to try to Alex at this point. So, talk about having success. Larry just never wants to die. Problem is Larry doesn't have this side. And we see Taylor's destroying Travis's forward things. Forward barracks, I should say. I'm getting going. We're in here. We are wrecking. Here's a bunch of Travis's troops just chilling. I love these Scorpion Elephants. I don't love them as much as some people do, but I think that they're a pretty good unit. I need to use them better. And Larry's been pushed back by Taylor once again. Taylor playing the pocket. Alex was just playing the anvil, man. Just stayed alive the whole game. Really, if we're talking about being commendable, though, I think that Joel is the guy that just stay alive. Don't quit. Did he move forward up here? Is there? Oh, okay, so he's got some stuff going on up here. I don't know. He doesn't have a place for those guys to take their food, but they're farming. Good for them. So we destroyed those. And this whole side we're just slowly eating this way as Larry's holding over here. So trade's down and Travis is like, I'm done, I've had it, it's over. Which is essentially the game. But there's Chase, Larry's now quit, Joel's quit. So whenever Chase gives up the ghost, there it is. So that was much funner for me to watch because we did good and I had the high military score, which is always nice, but that's what happens when you destroy a bunch of buildings. Taylor played an awesome pocket. I think that Alex just holding that line was massive. That was really cool with the barracks. I thought that was pretty entertaining. I can see why they were talking about it being pretty good. But yeah, that was that game. Wow, I had more than double the gold of anyone else. Wow. Okay, not double the gold, but double the trade profit of anyone else. Travis, how are you getting so much gold? Are you selling it? I don't know, that's weird. He's gonna have to explain that, please. Same with Taylor. That must be relics. That's the only thing that could be. Alright, well, that was a good game, guys.